I don't care what's right or wrong. I will try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. 'Cause tonight I need a break. Yesterday's didn't come, and tomorrow's outside. And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. I don't want to be alone. Help me make it through the night. Ano, Arlen? Ang dami ang kakantay mo mga Tagalog. Ako bit yung mga kanta. Ikaw na po. Para kay Ubim.
Kwarto na lang niya, mukhang niya.
Puno kay Punting.
Kamera ubim, kanta na po kamera ubim.
Walang kanta biya kako mo.
Ay, ay!
Di ba kabalo
Sa
magkanta?
nga keke ka? Wala, kabalo. Sa nga tamis kayo?
Puno kay Punting.
Sa iyo, ebor ka? Ay, pagula ka may ice. May dagang ice.
I will be carrying for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on the sun shores. And if they're calling you away, I have the right to make a stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that part of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Sometimes goodbyes are meant forever. It doesn't matter if you die. I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. You have to go out on your own so you can find your way back home. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know the heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Letting go is just another way to say I always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we're all just began. Maybe the best is yet to come.
Bésame mucho.
An ordinary brush can leave more plaque behind, Lara. Well, plaque can lead you here paying for cavities. That's why I switched to Oral-B Electric. Its round brush head remove up to 100% more plaque. Don't let cavities make you pay.
Life is a constant choice to live better. Happy anniversary!
Granada, sa kanang ako ang
Granada.
Bésame nga.
There's only mucho.
Ako bukanta ko, basta duit ka. Ako bukanta ka.
Duit na dahil.
Nakailan mic na. Wala may